Are you feeling stuck, blocked, or unable to move forward in your life? Do you sense an invisible force holding you back from achieving your true potential? Today, I want to talk to you about a simple yet profound change that can clear all your energy blockages in just 3 days. It might sound incredible, but the power to transform your life lies within you, and it's easier than you think. First, let's understand what energy blockages are. Energy blockages are emotional and mental barriers that prevent the natural flow of positive energy through your body and mind. These blockages can manifest as feelings of fear, anger, resentment, or even physical ailments. They are often caused by negative thoughts, limiting beliefs, or unresolved emotions from past experiences. The key to clearing these blockages lies in changing your mindset and daily habits. It starts with recognizing and letting go of the thoughts and behaviors that no longer serve you. One of the most powerful tools to achieve this is through affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you say them with conviction, they can reprogram your mind and help you adopt a more positive outlook on life. Begin by identifying the negative thoughts and beliefs that are holding you back. Write them down on a piece of paper. For example, you might write, "I am not good enough," "I am always unlucky," or "I don't deserve happiness." Once you have identified these negative beliefs, it's time to counteract them with positive affirmations. Create affirmations that reflect the opposite of your negative beliefs. For instance, if you believe "I am not good enough," you can replace it with "I am worthy and capable of achieving my goals." If you think "I am always unlucky," change it to "I attract good fortune and opportunities." Write down these positive affirmations and keep them in a place where you can see them daily. The next step is to repeat these affirmations consistently. Make it a daily habit to say your affirmations aloud with confidence and belief. You can do this in front of a mirror, during your morning routine, or before you go to bed. The key is to be consistent and to genuinely believe in the words you are saying. Over time, these positive statements will start to replace the negative ones in your mind, and you will notice a shift in your energy and outlook. Another powerful method to clear energy blockages is through meditation. Meditation allows you to quiet your mind and connect with your inner self. It helps you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, and it provides a space for healing and release. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. As you breathe in, visualize a bright, healing light entering your body and filling you with positive energy. As you exhale, imagine all the negative thoughts, emotions, and blockages leaving your body. Focus on this visualization for a few minutes, allowing yourself to feel lighter and more at peace with each breath. You can also use guided meditations that are specifically designed to clear energy blockages. These guided sessions often include calming music, soothing voices, and visualizations that help you release negativity and welcome positive energy. In addition to affirmations and meditation, it's essential to take care of your physical well-being. Your body and mind are interconnected, and a healthy body supports a healthy mind. Make sure you are eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, and staying hydrated. Physical activity in particular is a great way to release built-up tension and stress in your body. Even a short walk outside or a few minutes of stretching can make a significant difference in how you feel. Another important aspect of clearing energy blockages is forgiveness. Holding on to grudges, resentment, or anger towards yourself or others can create significant energy blockages. Forgiveness is not about condoning harmful behavior or forgetting past hurts. It is about freeing yourself from the negative emotions that are weighing you down. Take some time to reflect on any unresolved feelings of anger or resentment you may be holding on to. Write a letter to the person you need to forgive, even if you don't send it. Express your feelings honestly and then choose to release them. Forgive yourself for any mistakes you may have made and recognize that you are doing the best you can. Another way to enhance the flow of positive energy is through gratitude. Practicing gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a positive mindset that attracts more good into your life. Start a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. They can be as simple as a sunny day, a kind word from a friend, or a delicious meal. By regularly acknowledging the positive aspects of your life, you can elevate your energy and create a more joyful and abundant reality. Surrounding yourself with positive influences is also crucial in this process. The people you spend time with can significantly impact your energy and mindset. Seek out individuals who uplift and inspire you, and limit your exposure to those who drain your energy or bring negativity into your life. This might mean setting boundaries with certain people or finding new social circles that align with your goals and values. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment is another way to boost your energy and remove blockages. Pursue hobbies and interests that make you feel alive and excited. Whether it's painting, dancing, gardening, or playing a musical instrument, doing what you love helps you connect with your true self and allows positive energy to flow freely. It's also helpful to declutter your physical space. Your environment can reflect and influence your mental and emotional state. Take some time to organize and clean your living and working spaces. Get rid of items that no longer serve a purpose or bring you joy. Creating a clean and organized space can have a profound impact on your overall well-being and help you feel more in control of your life. As you embark on this journey to clear your energy blockages, it's important to be patient with yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight, and there will be times when you may feel like you're not making progress. Remember that healing and growth are processes that require time and persistence. Celebrate your small victories along the way and acknowledge the efforts you are making to improve your life. Additionally, consider seeking support from a coach, therapist, or spiritual guide. Having someone to talk to and guide you through this process can provide valuable insights and encouragement. They can help you identify and address any deeper issues that may be contributing to your energy blockages. Incorporate meditation into your routine to quiet your mind and connect with your inner self. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Visualize a bright, healing light entering your body, filling you with positive energy and expelling negativity with each exhale. Meditation helps release built-up tension and fosters a sense of peace. Taking care of your physical well-being is essential. Eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and stay hydrated. Physical activity, even something as simple as a walk, can release tension and improve your overall mood. Forgiveness is another crucial step. Holding on to grudges and resentment creates significant blockages. Reflect on any unresolved feelings of anger and choose to forgive. Write letters expressing your feelings, even if you don't send them. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and acknowledge your efforts. Practicing gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. Start a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. This practice elevates your energy and fosters a positive outlook. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with can impact your energy and mindset. Seek out those who uplift and inspire you, and limit exposure to negativity. Setting boundaries and finding social circles that align with your values can make a significant difference. And engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Pursue hobbies and interests that excite you, whether it's painting, dancing, gardening, or playing a musical instrument. Doing what you love helps you connect with your true self and allows positive energy to flow. Declutter your physical space. An organized environment reflects and influences your mental and emotional state. Take time to clean and organize your living and working spaces. Remove items that no longer serve a purpose or bring you joy. A clean space can profoundly impact your well-being and help you feel more in control. Be patient with yourself. Change takes time, and there will be moments when progress feels slow. Healing and growth are ongoing processes that require persistence. Celebrate your small victories and acknowledge the efforts you're making to improve your life. And consider seeking support from a coach, therapist, or spiritual guide. Having someone to talk to can provide valuable insights and encouragement. They can help identify and address deeper issues contributing to your energy blockages. Focus on self-love and self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Acknowledge your strengths and celebrate your unique qualities. By loving yourself fully, you create a solid foundation for positive change and growth. In conclusion, clearing your energy blockages is about making intentional changes in your mindset, habits, and environment. By incorporating affirmations, meditation, physical well-being, forgiveness, gratitude, positive influence, joyful activities, and decluttering into your daily life, you can transform your energy and remove the barriers holding you back. It may take time and effort, but the results are well worth it. You have the power within you to create a life filled with peace, joy, and abundance. Start today, and in just 3 days, you may begin to feel a remarkable shift in your energy and overall well-being. And dear viewers, as you reflect on these messages and how they resonate with your own journey, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, and insights in the comments below. How have you embraced the universe's abundance in your life? How do you find harmony and balance? Your stories inspire us and others, creating a conversation that uplifts and encourages. Let's continue this dialogue and support each other. Comment below and let your voice be heard.